Барретто. Бар. ПФ барбекю. Массаж. Again массаж. 300 массаж. Один same price. Ага. From 4 p.m. is. Yeah? 4 p.m. It's only billiard for Georgi. Billiard. Yes, and billiard inside also. Blue butterfly. This is also bar. Blue butterfly. Subic Beach Hotel and Restaurant. You can take a look. This is bar. Hello.
I just little bit space for you.
Yeah. This is parking area and Subic Beach Hotel. Right. Also restaurant have. Hotel. Ага. Oh, here not easy to walk. Sand.
Be careful. Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Need slippers. Walk with slippers better. Another beach is wet. Wet sand, it's easy to walk. But here, sand is already dry. Not good.
That's one the entertainment activity water. They're very famous. That one.
Yeah. I don't know how much they charge. What is hot zone?
Yeah, I know that one.
You know this bar?
Yeah.
I never been.
Open.
Open or not?
Open.
Open or not?
Open, huh?
Cheap Charlie bar. Yeah. Cheap Charlie. Also bar Gelona. How to say Gelona, Shaira? This bar.
Yeah, there is here.
Gelona. Bar Gelona. Bar Gelona.
I know that. Let's find nice place. I will.
Суха твою, Шайра?
We're hard here because
So
it's
in the-
from sea. The air here is it's not the same. Why you need to focus in my face? I don't like.
Shire hat. This is also bar. It does not matter. Harley Davidson parking. Don't have Harley Davidson. Male Hub Entertainment. Cubic. Chill bar. Girl already outside waiting. Chill bar. So we already going to another place.
Here is nothing. Inside the bar, nothing. I don't like bar.
Same.
I don't like bars. Really, I don't like it. Wasting time for me.
Time and money. Wasting money also.
Now, if you have a fun, this not matters. You want fun. I go sometime. I go bars. You know, when you sit.
What Shira you say about Subic Barretto?
The air here, it's like from can dark your skin.
Dark skin. But today not don't have sun. It's not sunny
why.
day, but hot.
Really, it's so hot here. I don't know why. I've been here before. It's not, because it's summer. I cannot.
Summer because hot.
But it don't have wind. Not so many.
Yes, today not windy. That's why it's so feel so hot.
That's why what is this? The air from only